Alright, let's fucking go! 8:56. So in the configuration section, we have gutted most of it and kept the startup mode and added fuck around modes. Fuck around modes are extra behavior for debugging and messing around with shit when we're inside of game mode. So by default, it is turned on. So only when we're in game mode will the fuck around modes do anything. Only when in game mode, because it's a sub mode of game mode. So all of this code that was originally here has been moved to less important configuration. If we scroll down past the system index and then past the type index here, we have less important configuration. We added a summary of what all of these things do except for this inside of this little tag at the bottom of the file. You can go look at that on your own time. We can see that all this stuff has been moved from its original location up at the top of the file in video 856, right? In 856 we moved it, and the original lines, or the original deltas in which we wrote these lines of code are these numbers here. Okay, so key famd, so key fuck around mode data. We have some explanations of what these variables below mean, and then down here we have Q and L keys for setting low damage blast, E and H keys for setting high damage blasts, and then WASD keys to modify the size of the blast area that Josh can set down by clicking. KeyFamD, don't fucking touch this, right? It goes in KeyFamF. KeyFamF, we have two monkey wrench macros for the function name, and then the function is going to be KeyFamF down. This is the down event handler for KeyFamF. It's going to take a input keyboard event and figure out what kind of fuck around business to do. Output did fuck around mode. Did we handle a fuck around mode key? We're going to put the rest of the logic here in another video, so we're just yelling at the user here and outputting 0 for now. Inside of keymast, in keymast down for when we are in game mode, we have this thing to let us know if we handled a key, and this generic did a thing variable. And if fuck around mode is on, we're going to call the fuck around handler, and it will return 1 or a positive value if we did something with it. And if we did something with it, then we handled the key. If we haven't handled the key, then we'll do more logic here for handling the standard game keys. We're out of fucking time, out of fucking time, out of fucking time.